Hello and welcome back. I've been drawing out a little map here of what's what and all, and it seems every time I breathe on this thing, more and more of the wires break. This reminds me a lot of my old motorcycle at one point that I completely rewired because there were just so many things that would just pop up where, the 40 or 50-year-old wires would seem to be okay, but they just weren't. Oh, dear, 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 dear. So I'm contemplating my next move. I am. I'm thinking, well, I'm going to crank up the desoldering iron. I'm going to try and have some pliers handy because if you look carefully at this, see, everything looks okay over there, but it really isn't. So I got to get the solder out, and I've got to get the wire out, and then I've got to strip the wires and get it to go through there. That's what I got to do. And it does seem that every time I do anything, something else breaks. So it may be that this has to be kind of, well, maybe they all need to be redone. But I certainly don't want to end up with things done in the wrong spot so that I end up with the keyboard not working right. And so I'm kind of going on the way the things lie nicely. Anyway, I think this keyboard has had some work already done, and it may be that it needs a lot more done. I've cleaned the keyboard, so I know that it was working, and there was one wire that was broken. But that has gone from 1 to, I think now we're up to 7. And chances are there will be more. This is disturbing. Anyway, this is the keyboard from a Chiclet Commodore Pet. And as I say, I did spend, a couple hours cleaning it, so I'm sure it's fine. But these wires, well, there are issues. And in looking over at another one, on another pet here, certainly the colors and the color codes are not matching. So as I say, this keyboard has had some repair work in the past. Ah, great. Dandy. Undoubtedly, there will be something here that gets done wrong. Undoubtedly. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned as I begin the solder sucking process. Bye for now.